Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create an account in Trailhead. Trailhead is prepared by the Salesforce and it is a great platform for you to do practice and learn about Salesforce. First of all, you need to go to trailhead.salesforce.com, the website, and you're going to click sign up. Here at the bottom, you have options. You can select one of those options to sign in by using your LinkedIn account or Google account or Facebook, but I will just choose email. And I'm going to enter my email. After you enter your email, you can say sign up. Wait for the email, and I just received the email. It has the code inside, so I'm going to enter the code. Then click continue. Then enter your first name and last name. Here you see public profile is already checked, so you can keep it as it is. So I'm just going to type my last name for the URL. So you can type your name if you want and go next. That name will appear on the URL of my Trailhead account. Then you need to enter your company name and you enter your job title. You can select non-customer prospect. If you're an administrator, you can choose administrator. If you're a developer, you can choose developer. And for the state, you choose your state, check the checkbox, then click done. Okay, now I have a Trailhead account. So now I'm gonna start working on it. So let's go to learn. You can use the filters here to find the topics, or at the top, you can say admin beginner. Go to admin beginner module. And here in this page, now you can start from the top of the page and do those in order. The first one named as Get Started with the Salesforce Platform. So this should be the first module. You may want to look at it and then complete the task. If you scroll down, go to the bottom of the page, you see that there is My Trailhead Playground 1 selected here. This is the place that you're going to choose the playground. Currently, there is one given to me by Salesforce. If you want to change it, you can also say create another playground, or if you already create another one, when you click here, you will actually have a list of all the playgrounds you have. Then you have to make sure that you choose the correct playground. In Trailhead, as you see at the top of the page, there are objectives listed, so you know what are you going to learn. And then there are explanations. The Salesforce teach you the topic clearly. And if you scroll down at the bottom of the page, you see there is a green line on the left side of the page. This part is the question that you need to complete to get the point. At the top of the page, there are steps listed, give you information about the topic, so you learn about the topic. But at the bottom of the page, this part is telling you how to get the points. So you need to complete this task to be able to get points. So now I'm going to look at the top and see what it says. So there's a package number given here. So I'm just going to copy that. There's a link given here. So click on that one. If you already have it, you don't need to create it. Or if you have it, but you want to use a new one, you can also create another one. This platform has no cost. There's also another way to get in. If you go to Google, type sign up Salesforce, you can see at the bottom, you see sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition. You can click on it. You see the website developer.salesforce.com/sign up. you can type in your email address, and you can use this email address multiple times, and you can create multiple developer site for yourself, and you need to fill out the rest. Company name, voice quarter. After you enter your information at the bottom, you're gonna choose your username. Let's say ebrar@voicequarter.com. But this is not an email. Doesn't even exist. I just use it as a username. As you see, it say username must be in a form in an email address, but it doesn't has to be a real one. Okay, sign me up. You click sign me up and wait. Now you're gonna receive an email. Check your emails and see if you got it. I received an email. I received an email from developer at salesforce.com. When I click on it, it gives me option to verify it. You can verify the account and create your password. At the bottom of the page, there's also a link shared in case you have difficulty to get into your account. Later on, you can use this link to get in easily. So I put a star. It says remove star now. I put a star for this email so I can find it easily. So now I don't need the link. I'm just gonna verify the account. And you're gonna choose a security question and answer, then say change password. Okay, great. Now I'm on the page. On the right side, I just want to click that icon. I see my name there and the link here. It's a voice quarter, so I know that this is the org that I created. If you create another one, if you have multiple orgs, sometimes if you're working on different platform, you may want to go here and check which page you're in. On the right side at the top, there's a gear icon. If you click setup, you will be able to see the website. This is the website that you have object manager, and you can do the settings for the object. And now I'm gonna go back to the Trailhead and see what they say. They are saying that install the package. In case you had difficulty to log in, there are two ways. You can go to the top of the page on the browser, type login.salesforce.com, because here my domain is different. In case it give me a error, I can just go to regular login page and do it. Then it should work. If not, you can go to the email you received that you start, right? So you can find it easily. Then you can click the link in the email to reach the page easily. Now to complete the registration, I need to enter my phone number. After I enter my phone number, it will send a verification code to my phone. Then I will type that number here, then click verify. Enter the password and say change password. Now let's go back to the page. You see at the top, it says this package installation link. Click on that one. And after that, you have install for all users. So you need to read the instruction. Most of the time it will say install for all users. Then you click the one in the middle and install it. And now it's installing, so I'm gonna wait until it's done. Now it say installation complete. Great. So what we did, we installed Dreamhouse LWC by Salesforce. So this is a package. There are some ready packages in Salesforce. We were able to download it to our system. We will say done. Now let's go back to the page. What does it say? We have the app. Let's do this task here. It says create a field on contact object, and data type has to be currency. For that, you need to go to Object Manager. So You see at the top, I have two pages. One of them is the Trailhead. The other one is the Salesforce org that I sign in, right? So when you click Object Manager on the right side, there's a quick find. You can search for contact, click on it. Now I'm gonna go back, see what is next step. So it say create a field on contact object. So now I'm on the contact object. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a field. And data type will be currency, field name, and field the label is given. Just copy, fill the label. And now I'm gonna go to create, since it's a create a field, I'm gonna go to org, click field and relationship on the left side of the page. On the right side, you will click new and you choose currency. Since they want us to create the field which name as currency, so that way the user could enter an amount of money in there, right? Because that is the field we use for the dollars or for any currency amount. So we're gonna just click on it, go next. Remember, we already copied the loan amount. Click on it and click somewhere on the page. It will automatically generate the field name. And you see underscore here, which is the same like we had here. Loan amount, loan amount. That's it. So we did it. So now I'm gonna go next. This page shows the visibility. For now, you can just click the box at the top and make this visible for all profiles. You will learn all those details later. So just go next for now. Here, there's also another information related to page layout. This is also something you're gonna learn later. Say, save. Now we are done. We created. If you want to check if we did it or not, click here, 9 dots, type sales, so we can see the user interface. So this is the page users will use, right? So what we did, under contact, we created the field. So when I go to contact and say new, at the bottom, you see it's a loan amount. This is the field I created. It was not here, now it's here. So this is the field I just added to the system. So now I want to go back, see if I got points. First of all, I want to make sure I'm on the correct playground. Here I have a playground already given to me. If you want, you can add more playgrounds. You can say create playground. You can create up to 10 playground in each org. If you work on different playground and you check your points in other one, you cannot get your points. You need to make sure that you have the correct playground. The playground that I created is supposed to show here, but it doesn't. Anyway, no problem. I can go to connect org and I can do the connection with my org that I just created because I know I did the work on that org. Let's check that. I actually connected to my org. Sometimes if you're working on different playground, you may not get a point. So what I did, I signed in with my org to make sure that I'm on the correct playground because I know which org that I sign in. On the Trailhead, this is the account, I just open it. On the right side, if I click on it, there's also a way that you can go to hands-on orgs. And there I can also see the playground that I created. To get the points, I use the one at the top. So I use the one that I created and it worked out. So here you can also create additional playgrounds. And at the top, I have my 500 points because I just opened a new account and I got 500 points now. If you click launch, When you launch one of the playground, you automatically go to this page. But of course, you need to go back to Trailhead. So you can click here, Trailhead, and you can go to main page, go to next task you will need to do. So we created the playground and we launch it and we actually check our points. As you see here, there are recommendations. I hope that video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.